So it's pretty good, it's pretty optimized. So I have been practicing the lighting and some optimization for my levels. So here I am. Here is my result. So currently I'm constantly getting 60 plus FPS in any condition in any room. See, I'm jumping around in any room and I'm constantly getting 60 plus FPS. So, and okay, I will overview the lighting that I did. Okay, so let me give you some views. How did I do the lighting? So if you go to the rooftop, so as the rooftop, as the stairs, show you. So here's the stairs. So you got the idea. And this is pretty much optimized, as you can see. So if I go to my light and optimization view mode, and if I go to light complexity, you see, everything is in the good section. So it's pretty good, it's pretty optimized. This is the light map density. As you can see, everything is constantly on green and blue. So this is a good lighting practice. And if I go to stationary light overlap, so there is no overlap lightings, so that's another good thing. If I go to my shader complexity, you see the shader complexity, everything on the green side, so everything is good. So yeah, I'm currently working on the multiplayer for this project. Let's see how it's turned out. So yeah, currently the multiplayer crouch, walk, jump, and walk is just done. So I have to work on this. I will keep update about this project.